It's Rail Fanning 844 from MFG Co Studios. And today, probably you know what this is. We're going to be taking a look at our favorite sweetheart. She's only 6 months old. I haven't won her. She has no track. But her paint scheme to me is the best. Number 1071, Norfolk Southern, Jersey Central Lines, Heritage SD70. I got it for Christmas, I think 6 months ago. But I'm interested in Leah Lionel, including Santa Fe 8803. Everything was perfectly in her. Rail Sounds, Crew Talk, Lion Chief, Best Revolutionary, thanks by Lionel, Closest Thing Legacy, except her fuel tank, which is very bad. And there's a little bad of detail in this. But never mind that. Let's just get to the SD70. It says, I've heard the rumors that Norfolk Southern had the one painted as livery to its Jersey Central Lines predecessor who merged with them. I don't know when, but let's do the details first. Okay. Alright, here you have your handrails. Very detailed. Steps, including also all they're in mix small. They're very perfectly. You can see the stably applied handbars, sand filling cap, rooftop grab irons. Her famous number is 1071. One set of headlights here, rooftop headlights, and 2 working daytime lights under here. Then you got your detailed pilot. If you can see that here. It's very hard to hold a small look of its size. There's a pilot, very detailed, multiple unit hoses, air hose, blue one. The cab glass, it's fully made out of glass, so I would really recommend when you hold someone, hold from here to your 2 fingers here and your thumb right here like this. So when you hold it, it doesn't fall. And if you look to the side of it, you can barely see it, but it says here. It says Jersey Central Lines. You got your famous coloring, the yellow paint stripe on the sidewalk platforms, the blue and the orange as liveries of Jersey Central's original paint scheme on their EMD F7s or your FDs. And if you look at the top of the locomotive, you have your 2 radiator fans. I don't know if these, I don't think they operate, they're just for detail. And you got your cooling fan right here. The back of the locomotive is the same as the front, except there's no cab. It's just, coupler, scale coupler, multiple unit hoses, separately applied ladders, backup lights, rear ditch lights, rear high headlights, separately applied handrails. This one's coming loose on the line. I have to glue that. On the other side, it's the exact same thing. It's just same things. It legibly says it right there, warning, intakes or something. There's the number, is 1071. It's legible down here. If you look really closely, it'll say on the steps, danger, watch your step. Very detailed. And one thing is, if you look underneath the number on the locomotive, it'll have Norfolk Southern's initials. Let me just zoom this for you. Right below the 1071, there's a little decal. It says Norfolk Southern NS. More legible stuff here. The cab glass is still matte glass. And one special feature is you have two roofs that come with this locomotive. This is the sunshade, but the cabs, they do come off. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, now I'll show you the bottom of the locomotive. Alright, here's the trucks. I don't know if you can see this very well, but it is made by ATHEARN. Very detailed. And I'll show you that cab roof right now. The cab roof is held on by three magnets, and I recommend using a pick or something like this. Sometimes you can get elbow grease in there, but it just pops off. It just pops off like this. Like this. After you take your tool, you take your fingers, you remove the cab roof. This locomotive comes with two cab roofs. This is the original. And if you look very closely, I'm going to hold this up to the light. You can see all the details in the cab. Note, those wires are for the headlights. You got the conductor's seating over there, the control panel, the engineer's seat, and I don't know why, but ATHEARN added a third seat. Even though this isn't, locomotives only have two seats, one for the conductor, one for the engineer. It's very detailed. This has no TMCC or anything. It's no DCC. Your plain locomotive. There's the number, Norfolk Southern 1071. Jersey Central lines. And if you want to apply the secondary cab, I will just put I'll show you every single detail. And when you hit the locomotive, it'll come with this detailed parts. That's good. I don't know if you can see that very well. Hold on. I'm going to do this part 2.